Excuse me. Pardon me. Sorry. Ooh, sorry.
Hey, watch it, Poe.
Sorry. Suck it up. Ooh, sorry.
Doesn't pardon?
What? Master Oogway's choosing the Dragon Warrior. Today! Everyone, go! Get to the Jade Palace! One of the 5 is gonna get the Dragon Scroll. We've been waiting 1,000 years for this. Just take the bowl! This is the greatest day in Kung Fu history. Don't worry about it, just go!
Oh! Where are you going?
To the Jade Palace?
But you're forgetting your noodle cart. The whole valley will be there, and you'll sell noodles to all of them.
Selling noodles? But Dad, you know, I was kind of thinking maybe
Yeah? Uh-huh.
could also sell the bean buns. They're about to go bad.
That's my boy. I told you that dream was a sign.
Yeah. Glad I had it. Come on, you. Almost there.
What?
No! Oh, no!
Sorry, Poe. We'll bring you back a souvenir.
No. I'll bring me back a souvenir.
It is an historic day, isn't it, Master Oogway?
Yes, and one I feared I would not live to see. Are your students ready?
Yes, Master Oogway.
Now know this, old friend. Whomever I choose will not only bring peace to the valley, but also to you.